morning, everyone. So yesterday I was at Prestige Imports in Miami, and I decided to spend the night in Miami so I can come out to the Wynwood Cars and Coffee. So if you're not familiar with Wynwood, it's sort of like an art district in Miami. It used to be just a collection of warehouses before. It's basically all full art. Look at that. So I heard about this literally yesterday. Didn't really know this was going on, so I've got all kinds of crazy things out here. GT2 RS, a brand new one. So let me flip the camera around and show you guys. There you go. It's kind of quiet, so I'm gonna not talk too loudly. I'll show you guys the car. Starting to see these pop up every now and then. Not bad. Like, things are about 350, 400,000. Over here, 996 convertible. Look at this crazy thing. Mad Max 7 Series. Thing's wacky. Oh, nice. Hellerot E30 M3. It's so bright. The color isn't quite coming out. There we go. Look at that. Perfect. Oh, next to it, BMW 8 Series. The interior is just perfect. Oh, nice. A Cayman GT4. It's a pretty looking car. Oh, hey, who's rolling in? NSX. And another E30. Very clean. Alright, let's keep walking. I guess it must be some kind of Porsche club because most of these cars are Porsches. So this one's a little dirty. Looks like a 997 Carrera. And pull the camera back a little. There we go. Let's see, a 996 convertible. The 996 convertible must be pretty popular or something. A lot of airplanes. Hey, FedEx. Let's see. 996 Coupe, Carrera S Coupe, and some cool stuff. Oh, hey, look at this.
What's up, buddy?
Hanging out. Ferrari 488.
How are you?
Haven't seen you in a while.
So yesterday.
Yeah, right?
This is my daughter, Brookie.
Hey, Rookie.
Hi. Is there a parking spot somewhere?
Well, you could probably park behind this Porsche. Yeah. And yeah, I think this is a 964. Another 964 here. And oh, a C43 AMG. That's a classic. All right. Well, let's head inside and get some coffee. I'm a little hungry, actually. And what exhaust do you have? 5-speed. 5-speed exhaust. Can you make it louder? All right, guys, I'm out of here, heading home. This was just meant to be a quick, short vlog. There was Wynwood Cars and Coffee isn't really a huge event, but there's a few nice cars that show up, a lot of cool stuff. So Just wanted to show you guys that real quick. I'm heading home. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you like any cars, have any suggestions for me. And I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.